Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the second year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, that the principles of management. This is the second part of the principles of management. So here the levels of management. How many levels we have means we have three levels. First level, top level, that is first level, that is top level management, and the second level, that is middle level management, and the third level, that is lower level management. So let us see how these levels will help, how these levels are interconnected with each other, and how they will help for the success of the business organization. First, top level management. Board of directors means the members who are involved in the top level management are board of directors, managing directors, chief executives, and general managers. Okay, the persons who are involved in the top level management are board of directors, managing directors, chief executives, and managing general managers. Okay, what they will do? They will establish, these persons will establish policies, plans, and objectives. They will establish the policies, plans, and objectives of the business organization. It need more human skills. Okay, these level required more human skill. Innovative means those who can create new ideas, who can create new inventions, and those inventions can be implemented. Okay, innovative means the inventions and discoveries are in implementation. Innovative decision making, new way of decision making, and conceptual clarity. Whatever the concept they are going to be start, regarding that they should have the clarity to compare the technical skills, and it should be compared with the technical skills. Whatever the concept they are going to introduce, whatever the thing they are going to start, for that they have the clarity and they have the technical skills also. The functions include, okay, these are the functions of the top level management. What are those functions? Let us see. Fixing the objectives of an enterprise and protecting the interest of the enterprise as its trustee. So what the top level management will do? It will fix the objectives of the enterprise. It will fix the objectives of the enterprise, and it will protect the interest of the enterprises. It will protect the interest of the enterprises as a trustee. Evaluating the achievements of the enterprises. Whatever the achievements they have achieved in the previous years, they are evaluating, means showing to the public whatever the achievements they have achieved, how they have achieved, what is the achievements in each year, how many achievements they have achieved. That is completely evaluated, means shown. Selecting the chief executive, allocating the income. Okay, allocating the income means whatever the income is required for the purchase of raw material, for the payment of wages, for the payment of salaries, whatever the income required, that is allocated by the top level management. Allocated means they will grant the income. Discussing the complicated and serious matters. Okay, if there is any discussion regarding the complicated and serious matters, issues, any issues are there within the organization or outside the organization, based on that issues they will start discussing. Okay, that is the functions. These functions are performed by top level management. Let us see middle level management. Departmental heads of various departments. So here the department heads are there. Okay, in the middle level management we have departmental heads. Okay, heads means the head of the departments. Okay, finance department manager, finance manager, personnel manager, production or marketing manager, etc. So these persons are involved. These persons are involved in the middle level management. Their main function is to implement the policies and programs formulated by the top management for the execution and to render valuable services for the successful operations of the departments. So, the main function of the middle level management is that they have to implement whatever the policies are here created. Those policies have to be implemented, and the programs which are formulated, means which are created by the top management for execution. Execution means for implementation. Okay, to render valuable services for the successful operations. Whatever the services required for the success of the operations activities, they have to provide that valuable services for the development of their departments. Okay, for financial department, for the personnel manager department, for the production department, or for the marketing department. For the development of their departments, they are required to execute or to implement the policies and programs which are given, which are directed by the top level management. They have to execute here. So, this execution is generally done by these departmental heads: finance manager, personnel manager, production or marketing manager. So many managers are there: sales manager, human resource manager, so many members are there. What they will do? They will execute the policies whatever created here. Next, lower level management, means that is the third level. See here, it consists of superintendents, supervisors and foremen who are in touch with direct arrangements of workers. They have the direct arrangement, they have the direct touch with the workers, with whom they have the direct connection, direct touch. They have the direct touch with the workers. So, here in the lower level management, we have superintendents, supervisors and foremen. Superintendents, supervisors and foremen. So, what they will do? They supervise, they will see whether the workers are doing the work properly or not, whether they are coming to industry, whether they are coming to office on time or not, whether they are following the disciplines or not, whether they are wearing the proper uniforms or not. That is completely seen by these people, because they are close to the workers. They can know the workers' problems also. Supervisors are those who have authority to exercise independent judgment in hearing. If any dispute or any kind of conflicts, means godvalu, okay, workers madhyalo emana disputes, godvalu alantivi erpadappudu, they have the right, these supervisors, superintendents and foremen have the right to give the independent judgment without consulting the middle level management and top level management. They can give independent judgment, and they can see the discipline, they can give rewards and taking other actions on the employees. They have that right, they are independent, they can take that actions because they are close to the workers. Top level management is not close to the workers, middle level management is not close to the workers, but these lower level management is close to the workers. In office there are known as supervisors. So in the offices there are known as supervisors, but in factories there are known as foremen. So this is about the levels of the management. Let us move on to the next topic, that is the what is the differences between the management and administration. Whatever the differences between the management and administration we will going to discuss now. So the management will execute the policy, the administration means the top level, they will make the policy. There are the policy makers, there are the policy executors. Okay, let us move how there is a difference. See, I have written with yellow chalk matter of management, and with the pink chalk I have written about the administration. There we have, let us focus on that. Administration lay down broad goals and objectives industries for which it set up. So administration, what it will do, it will lay down the policies and also it will set the goals and objectives for which the industries have been started. Okay, the industry which is started, there is certain purpose, there is certain reason for the starting of the industry. So that reasons, that things can be achieved with the help of the administration. The administration will create, it will make the policies, it will set the goals, it will set the objectives for which the industry is started. Now what the management will do means, management formulate the plans to the fulfillment of the enterprise objectives. It will formulate the plans, it will create the plans, how they can achieve those goals, how they can achieve those objectives, how they can fulfill the whatever the objectives are there of industry or enterprise, how they can achieve. For that they will prepare the planning, they will do the strategy, they will prepare the plan is also called as strategy. Okay, they will do in the stage. Administration lay down the broad policies and principles for guidelines. So administration just it will create some policies and policies and also certain principles. Based on that, it will help the management for implementing, for executing those things. It is just a guide. Okay. Management execute into practice. They will create it. Administration will create the policies and principles, but the management will execute it. Means the management will start keep it into practice. Administration draws outlines and framework for the execution of the policies. The administration will create the just outline or the framework. But whatever the content, whatever the inner content is there, that is completely concerned with the management. The administration just it will create the outlines or the framework of the policy. Management controls and supervises the activities concerned with execution of policies. So whatever the controlling things are there, whatever the supervising things are there, yes, whatever the things are there, that is completely done by the management for the execution of those policies successfully, whatever issued by the administration. Okay, administration provide direction, guidelines and leadership in all activities. It will nothing it will do. It will provide the direction, it will show the direction, it will give the guidelines, like this, not like this you have to do, this time not that time you have to do. Leadership, it will stand and see what is going on in the middle level management and in the lower level management. It will just see. Okay. Management coordinates the various activities of various departments. So management, what it will do, it will coordinate, it will motivate the departments, it will fix the targets for the department and it will make the departments to work hard in order to achieve those objectives. Okay, so in this way there is a difference between the management and the administration. Administration is just at the top level, they will do nothing, but management have to do everything, whatever the plans, whatever the policies, whatever the principles, whatever the things that are made by the administration, that have to be executed by the management only. So this is the differences between management and administration, and this is about the levels of the management. Let us meet in other session with the new topic. So up to this session is completed to here. Yes.